We go up and we go down. You know we have to do the daily prayer today, so let's get started. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you so much for this beautiful, beautiful world you created, Father. Thank you for the opportunity for me to detail today, and bless anybody watching this video, Father. Amen. Your stress is unusually high. It's harder than crap outside. Let me put y'all on real quick. These, best food ever. You gotta add the mini Jesus.